Alright guys, here we go. In the countdown to National Treasures, we finally moved this bin out of the way. It's an ITG pack. I just turned into Brian for a minute there. It's 12th edition. Here we go. Brian, Taz, Sean. Sean, you're going to get free dart. Everybody with asterisks getting free dart because I wanted the last 7 teams sold this year. A little incentive. Lots of darts going out tonight. Tofu and Bill, Brian, Taz and Taz with 5+ bonus. Brian, Rich, and Chuck with dart listings. Taz and Jack and Johnny Boy and Chuck. And that's how she rolls. So all these free darts first. I'm going to write down how as I go so I don't have to watch my stupid video again. One of the things I hate most is listening to me. Alright, free dart to Sean. Single 12. Where's my pen? Yeah, Brian got almost all the... And we're on 20s for this break too, by the way, guys. Okay, free dart for Taz for the F listing. Single 16. Free dart for Bill for the Hadfield to Hiller listing. Double 17. Free dart to Bill for the Latang to Lupo listing. Single 11. Free dart to Bill for the P. Bill took a P and I gotta give him a dart for it. So, single 11. That sounded horrible. Chuck, free darts. Nice, Taz. Chuck, single 2. What's all the singles going on here? And Taz, free dart for the Selkie to Sundin listing. Yeah, no 3 yet, but single 6. Wow. Alright, 3 darts, or 1 dart to Brian for the 5+. Yep. Triple 16. 2 darts to Taz for the 5+. I know, right? Double 10. Another one for Taz. Oh, Taz, you got a pack of Prism. I just put a fresh box in there, too. A single 17. Let's rip that Prism right now. Let's get here. You got yourself a stunning base pack. Awesome. And alright, 3 darts for Brian. Triple 11. Not much room here, so I'm going to write this down too. Triple 11, Brian. Brian number 2. Double 9. Brian number 3. Single 16. Oh. Rich 3 and Chuck 3. Oh, pack of Elite to Rich. Elite. A pretty fresh box too. I'll open that for Rich right now. He did miss it by that much. You got the Stars of Yaromir Yager. Rich. Still needs 3 dart for Rich. Triple 12. Hey, triple 3. A little late, Bill. And, oh, a Pinnacle pack for Rich. I'll open up a Pinnacle pack for Rich. A lot of packs going out. Just thinking about adding some 11-12 contenders packs. Would be fun. You got, again, nothing. You know, the base packs all the way. And one last start for Rich. 17. Right, and darts continuing. 3 for Chuck. Single, 3. Triple, 9. Yeah, but I could do that like all night. There's so many base packs in, and a double 15 for Chuck. So many base packs in Pinnacle. Not so many in Elite. Alright, giant pile. Get on to the fun part here. Triple 20s for the hits. Yeah, that dart session was pretty painful. Just packs out though. Add some higher end packs someday. It'd be cool. Yeah, I know. With this stuff, the darts always take longer anyway. Base card. Going to the H listing. And that is... Oh. Going to Bill. Dominic Hasek. Base Emerald number 57 of 60. That's going to earn you a single 20, Bill. Wow. That's not right at all. But that's why you... Oh. No, it isn't. Oh, alright, nice. This one's going to Socrates. It's the H listing, but the other side of the H listing. Hodge to Hunter. It is. Autograph. Jimmy Howard. Ooh, we got a nice card coming up, too. Number 15 of 19, goalie auto, Jimmy Howard. Nope, this guy's not a goalie. He is a good legend. And it's going to Chuck. Chucky. You got yourself ultimate entire career jersey of Henri Richard. Looks like a sock, too. No, it's a jersey. Montreal Canadiens jersey. No vowels. Nice little pack there. Not bad. I've had this card before. Give it away. Number 24 of 24. Double 2-4. Just like me on Friday. So, Henri Richard is going to get a triple 20. Howard's going to get a triple 20. And the base card is going to get a 60, single 20. Single 20 there. So, that concludes the longest bin of In the Game 12th edition I ever seen. I'll see you guys on my Prime bin next. Have a good one.